Hello, this is Sydney coming at you live. So there's a mimosa tree that's a few seconds down the road. Sorry if you hear my car behind me. So I wanted to show you the difference in the pods and how you can spot when they're ready to pick from if you don't already know. So when the pods start forming, they are these like bright green. They're usually like more flat. I'm trying to get to focus. Then this, when they're ready to pick, which is usually like late August towards the end of summer, they are brown color. Whoops. I'll try to open one of the seeds so you can see it. And I am on the road. This is like the side of the one of the parking areas, but they're just everywhere. This mimosa tree is down here in a gated area. See if we can back up so you can see that. So yeah, so this pretty like tannish, deep brown color, and they're just everywhere. So I've already picked some just to double check on them to see how they grow. They are an invasive species, so I do not recommend planting this like in your yard to go free. I would so much rather say put it in a pot at first. If you're in like have a lot of land and stuff, check with your city, check with the county, and see if like these are safe to plant there. I don't know the different rules about that, but I wanted to make a quick, short video to go over mimosa trees and what they look like. I also love their leaves because they look like this. So yeah, these are mimosa trees. I was trying to see if they still had some flowers on them, but I think all the blooms are gone. I'll try to insert some footage next of what those look like. But yeah, this had a big, beautiful pink and fluffy blooms. It kind of looks like, if you've ever seen the Lorax, it kind of looks like some of the trees in the Lorax. I'm probably like dating myself here, but yeah. So do not pick them if they're this green color. They're not ready. Don't do that. If they're a nice, like that brown color right there, it's safe to pick them. This one's been through it, so I'm not gonna touch that one. But yeah, as far as picking it off. But yeah, like this, you could easily pick that off. And they'd be ready. And the seeds, there's like so many seeds. That's a seed. There's a second seed down here. There's, I'm gonna show you so many seeds over here. It's a smorgasbord of mimosa seeds, so yeah. And that's how you spot the difference in when they're ready to pick. Again, I would say late August. All the research I did said that, so I've been picking them through August to see how they differ, how the seed sizes differ. So I know like when they were super small that I picked them too soon. And yeah. Happy planting!